Hello. Welcome to our channel, My Telugu Shop Pickles. So, mytelugushop.com is our website. It is the destination for unique tastes. So, it is an online store. We are selling women boutique, women jewelry, pickles, and powders. Today, so in last two videos, we discuss about how to uh, earn passive income. So by three ways. One, stock market. Second one is by renting our property. Three, keeping our money in fixed deposit instead of saving bank account. So that we discussed, and in second video I explained how to install Robinhood and Webull apps, and how to do the trading, and how to find uh, the stock is the good one or not. Few important metrics like revenue and other stuff. So I explain about them, and today I am going to explain about the rules what we need to use to get money in the stock market. So I am giving some uh, 10 10 points. It is a starting guide, okay. This is the starting guide. I am always following these rules in stock market, so I am earning profits. So you guys also can earn profits by following these rules. And these rules I am treating as a starting guide. So these rules I will update in our video description also. Please take from there. Okay, number one, don't buy the stocks for all the money within your portfolio. So these are all the fundamentals for our shorting. So for example, if you have the capital value of $100, just buy for $50 and keep remaining amount separately. So when we get we don't know, stock market is the most volatile one. We don't know when it will go up and when it will go down. So during these fluctuations, if we want to buy more stock, right, then that uh, 50% of remaining money will be useful for us. So don't invest with all the money that in your portfolio. Second one, buy 50% value of portfolio amount, keep remaining 50% for uh, yeah, future volatility. This covers two. So first one is it covers 2 points. First one is don't buy for all amount. Second one is just buy for 50%. Third one, sell stocks even in loss if you think that that stock you can buy for lower price in late. For example, what it means is, if some stock is going down drastically from 100 and then 80, 60 like that, so you can sell off even though you're getting loss of $60 or $40, because you can buy it later for $20 if you get that. So that is the formula. So even you need to sell off your stock if you think that you can buy that stock for little price in future. So that is one more point. Fourth one, sell stocks for 1 to 2% of gains. I cannot say 1 to 2%, maybe 3-4% you can keep, but it is up to you. So by following the news, you can come to know how much percentage of the stock can increase today. For example, if it is 5% today, yeah, that's fine. You can take that 5%, but you should have some news about that, whether it is going to increase. So, for example, as per our starting guide, if you get 1 to 2% of gains, you can sell off and buy it later in the dips. That is our one more formula. Uh, Fifth one, buy big dips with the money available to get profits early in a week or so. What it means is, as I told you last time, don't buy stocks for all the money uh, with the within your portfolio, right? So you will have some money for future. For example, if the stock market goes down in a day for 2000 3000 points sometimes, so you can buy with that half of 50% of your money, and the market will go up again next day or week or so, so you can get profits very easily in that week or 10 days. So that is the another formula. Next one, don't keep any stock for long time. So yeah, it is charting guide. So as per my formulas, we cannot keep any stock for long time. That means don't keep for 6 months, 10 months, year or something like that. Yeah, sometimes you may miss the profits, but don't think after once you sell off your stock, that is not your stock. So this is the starting guide formula, but we will also having some long term starting guide or long term uh, 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 long term points or long term rules you need to follow to keep the stock for long time. So that we will explain later, okay, in another video. Today we are going to discuss about shorting of our stocks. Okay, the next one is look for few stocks, uh, usually less than 5, which gives high returns. So don't buy too many stocks or too many companies stocks, so you cannot follow the news of all those companies. So usually you can come to know by watching and by following the market what are the stocks which are performing well. You just can buy them, and I prefer buy 4 to 5 stocks, not more than that, for our shorting. Next one, 8 point, it is concentrate on 10 good stocks rather than 100 stocks. Okay, this is almost same. So what I can say is, if we concentrate on 100 stocks, we don't get time for that day to read about that news and follow them and all. So just concentrate on few stocks, so that you can come to know what is going on today with that companies in the news, and you can take action against that stocks, whether you can keep them or you can sell off for that day, like that you can check. The next point, no sentiment on any stock. Think just about money. So please don't think that the stock will increase tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that. So that means that you will be you are having some sentiment on that stock. It is not good in the stock market to have sentiments. So don't believe on sentiments, just look at the numbers and take action. So you always need to think about money only, don't think about sentiments and all in the market. The next one, 10th point, happy investment. Follow these rules and start investing. So in the Robinhood app, we are having, once you open any stock, you can get buy and sell options to buy and sell stocks. So you can buy you can buy in numbers, that means one stock, two stock, or with the money. For example, the Google stock is 1800 today, you can buy for $100. So you can give by amount or by numbers. So same like selling also is available by numbers or with the money. So you can use that opportunity. And also you have you can also mention, for example, if my stock comes for today I bought one stock for $2, if it is goes for $3, we can make it sell. So you can mention that. And stop loss also, one more option is there. For example, overnight the market may go down sometimes, then you can mention that today the stock value is $5, and if it is goes for $4, so you can sell off that, like that. You can mention that using that stock loss option. So just follow all these things, just do some R&D, you can come to know that. And if you have any doubt, please contact on my email or on my Phone number 317 893-9479. You can contact on WhatsApp number, or I am giving my phone number in the description. You can call me on my phone number only on weekends. I can speak only on weekends, so you can call me, and you can find all these shorting guidelines in our description of the video. Thank you. Hope you will have the uh, great investment with these rules. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching our video. Please share our video with your friends, well wishers, and please subscribe to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Thank you.